The same or different. Grade 7 Old English. Lesson 1, page 7. The same or different. Sometimes something looks different from another thing, but it is really the same. Sometimes something looks the same as another thing, but it is really different. Sometimes we cannot believe our eyes. Look at the tunnel in the first picture. We are standing at the entrance. That is where we go in. We can see the other end, where we come out. The entrance looks much bigger than the other end. If we go through a tunnel, we find that the ends are the same size. One is not bigger than the other. They are the same size. Now, let us turn around and look through a tunnel from the other end. Now, we find that the ends near us look big, and the other end looks small. But we know that they are the same size. Things that are near us seem big. Things that are not near us seem small. Look at the lamppost in the second picture. We know that one lamp is just the same as the other. They are equally high. But the artist who drew the picture has not made them all the same size. He has made the first one big, the second one a little smaller, and the next one a little more smaller. The ones that are furthest away are the smallest. When things move away, they look smaller. When things come nearer, they look bigger. Now, look at the drawings. Look at the line in the third picture. Which is longer, A or B? Do not use a ruler to measure them. Try to guess. Now, use a ruler to check your answer. What do you find? In the third picture, one line is the same as the other. They are equal. In the fourth picture also, one line is the same as the other. They are equal too. Our eyes saw something that was not true. It was false. Why did our eyes tell us lies? Now look at pictures 5 and 6. Which way do the lines in the fifth picture bend? Inside or outside? Do not use a ruler. Use only your eyes to answer. How about the lines in picture 6? Which way do they bend? Inward or outward? Now we use a ruler. Place it by the lines in each pictures. What do you find? They are all the same, and they are all straight. They do not bend. Did our eyes tell us the truth? No, they didn't. They told us lies. A. Vocabulary. Give from the passage a word which means the same as each of the following. Person who is good at drawing and painting. Artist. A-R-T-I-S-T. Artist. Opposite of far. Near. N-E-A-R. Near. Not big. Small. S-M-A-L-L. Small. Opposite of same. Different. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T. Different. Place where we go in. Entrance. E-N-T-R-A-N-C-E. Entrance. Read carefully first, then write out the sentences below, filling each blank with the right word from the 5 you have given for A. Their house is big, but ours is small. S-M-A-L-L. Small. Tonton sits quite far from me in class, but Ao Ao sits near me. N-E-A-R. Near. Jawin can draw very well. He is an artist. A-R-T-I-S-T. Artist. You can't go in from this side. There is no entrance. E-N-T-R-A-N-C-E. Entrance. These two pictures are not the same. They are different. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T. Different. Number B, comprehension. Say whether the following statements are true or false, according to the passage. Things that are far from us seem big. True, false. Our eyes always tell us the truth. False. Our eyes sometimes tell us lies. True. If something is far from us, it looks smaller than it really is. What do you think the answer to this is? The answer is true. The lines in picture 6 seem to bend inward. This answer is also true. Answer the following questions in full sentences. Can we always trust our eyes? No, we cannot always trust our eyes. When does a thing seem smaller than it really is? A thing seems smaller than it really is when it is far away from us. Which way do the lines in the 5th picture bend? The lines in the 5th picture do not bend in any way. Which way do the lines in the 6th picture bend? The lines in the 6th picture do not bend in any way. To find out the truth, for how many drawings do we have to use the ruler? To find out the truth, we have to use the ruler for 4 drawings. Extended language use. Give the ER and EST forms of the following words. The first one is done for you. Big, bigger, biggest. Small, smaller, smallest. Short, shorter, shortest. Tall, taller, tallest. Long, longer, longest. Write out the sentence below using the correct form of the words given in brackets. Both Bao and Momo are tall, but Momo is taller than Bao. There were 2 pieces of cake and I took the smaller one. Upu's house is the biggest in our village. Measure these two lines with a ruler and tell me which one is longer. Among the 7 brothers, Nini is the shortest. Use the ER forms of the words given in brackets and make a sentence for each set of words below. The first one is done for you as an example. An elephant, big, a horse. An elephant is bigger than a horse. The Pacific, deep, the Atlantic Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is deeper than the Atlantic Ocean. My pencil, long, yours. My pencil is longer than yours. Sing sing, pretty, dan dan. Sing sing is prettier than dan dan. Nai nai, fat, winkle. Nai nai is fatter than winkle. This box, heavy, that box. This box is heavier than that box. Use the ESD form of the words given in brackets and make a sentence for each words below. Example: the elephant, big land animal. The elephant is the biggest land animal. The Pacific, deep ocean in the world. The Pacific is the deepest ocean in the world. The Nile, long river in the world. The Nile is the longest river in the world. Mount Everest, high peak in the world. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Mia, Gomia, clever, boy in our class. Gomia is the cleverest boy in our class. Kin Kin, good swimmer in our school. Kin Kin is the best swimmer in our school. Copy the paragraph below in your exercise book, filling each blank with the most suitable words from the list given above the paragraph. My name is Laong. I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters. My brothers are Tura, Mojo, and Tonton. My 2 sisters are Lin Lin and Wei Wei. Among the 6 of us, Wei Wei is the eldest and Tonton is the youngest. Among the boys, Thura is the eldest and he is the tallest. The fattest is Mojo and the shortest is Tonton. We go to the same school, but we are in different classes. Number D, spelling. Learn all the new words and phrases in the lesson. Your teacher, I, will give you spelling exercises. Spell entrance. E-N-T-R-A-N-C-E. Entrance. Spell measurement. M-E-A-S-U-R-E-M-E-N-T. Measurement. Spell believe. B-E-L-I-E-V-E. Believe. Spell different. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T, different. Spell bent. B-E-N-T, bent. Spell artist. A-R-T-I-S-T, artist.